Hello guys, in this video we will see how to create and connect to Ubuntu 24.04 AWS EC2 instance. Okay, see I have connected to AWS console. Click on services, then search for EC2. Click on EC2. See, at present I don't have any instances running in this region. Instances are specific to regions. Okay, so I'm going to create instance in US East 1. Okay, so instances running are 0. So to create instance, we have to click on launch instance or click on instances, then click on launch instances. Both are same. Click on it, then provide the name UB2404 EC2. Copy this one. See, in AMI section in quick start we have the Ubuntu. Click on it. See, we have the Ubuntu server 24.04 LTS. If you are unable to find here, you have to click on this browse more and search. Okay, and architecture, we have the two types of architectures, 64-bit and 64-bit ARM. Okay, select the first one and see here this Ubuntu 24.04 LTS is free tier eligible. Okay, so next instance type, which means we have to select the CPU cores and processors and memory. See, 1 GB and 1 CPU is free tier eligible, but if you want more, then you have to select from this list. Based on the type, charges will be changed. Okay, so for this demo purpose I am going with free tier eligible. Then key pair name. See, I don't have any key pairs, so we can use key pair to securely connect to the instance. So click on create new key pair. Give the same name, select RSA, then select the .fem, then click on create key pair. Once you click on create key pair, it will be downloaded. We will see here. Okay, click on it. See, it has downloaded the PEM file. Then network settings. See, we don't have any networks here. Edit. See, in the drop down also we don't have VPC or subnet. Okay, so even if we refresh, we are unable to find. So in services, then search for VPC. Right click on it, open link in new tab, go to there. Select the same region like this. Select the region US East 1, and for VPC also select the same one, US East 1. See, I don't have any VPCs in this region, so click on create VPC. See, here we have the VPC only and VPC and more, so I'm going to select VPC and more. So scroll down, click on create VPC. See, VPC is created successfully. Now go to the launch instance, then refresh this button. See, we have the VPC, and for subnet also refresh it. See, we have the subnets. I'm going to select US East 1 availability zone. Click on it, and public IP enable. Next, auto SN public IP. See, I have selected enable. Then create security group. I'm not going to change anything, so it will create new security group. SSH. Okay, I'm not going to change any of these settings. Then advanced network configuration, secondary IP I'm not going to give. See here, next configure storage. Here I'm giving, see, free tier eligible customers can get up to 30 gigabytes of EBS general purpose or magnetic storage. So I'm giving 30. If you want to add more volume, you have to click on add new volume. Then additional details. Remaining options I am not going to change. If you want to provide any custom information or a script, you have to provide those information here. Even if you want to upload the file, click on this choose file and upload. See, this is the summary of the Ubuntu 24.04 LTS instance. And if you want 2 instances, give 2. If you want 1, give 1. Okay. If you are okay with all these settings, click on launch instance. See, successfully initiated launch of instance. Click on instance ID. See, instance state is pending. Wait until this to be changed to running. Click on refresh. Refresh. See, state has been changed to running. Click on instance ID. See, this is the public IP. This is the public IP DNS name. Subnet information, VPC ID. and here we have the details. Security, this is the security group, and if you click on it, we have the inbound rules. Okay, so go back. Now we will see how to connect to EC2 instance, Ubuntu 24.04 EC2 instance. Click on connect, copy this one, open CMD on Windows, terminal on Linux distributions. CMD, go to this download directory where we have this PEM file. CD downloads dir, verify PEM file is there or not. See, we have the PEM file. Okay, now copy this command, that is SSH command, paste it, hit enter, type S and hit enter. See, we have successfully connected to Ubuntu 24.04. Ctrl L to clear screen. Let us verify. More /etc os-release. See, we have connected to Ubuntu 24.04. It is Noble. The code name is Noble. Okay. If you want to verify the IP of this machine, give the ifconfig. See, ifconfig not found. So IP addr show. See, this is the IP. Okay, this is the private IP. If you go to the instance, see, this is the private IP. Okay, if you want to find the host name, give the host name. See, host name is just private IP. You can change this host name also. But if you want to work this IP config, you have to run this command. Right click, hit enter. We have to install this tool. Okay, install it, enter, Ctrl L to clear screen. Now run the ifconfig. See, this is the IP, which is the private IP. Okay, and last point is, so if you are not using, you have to click on stop instance. If you are not using permanently, you have to select this terminate instance. If you terminate instance, it will be not available. Okay, so AWS charges are based on the usage. So if you are not using at all, you have to use this terminate. If you click on terminate, you have to click on terminate. After that, you have to delete the VPCs also. See, this is the VPC. If you delete it, you have to delete after deletion of this instance. So this is the way. So in this video, we have seen how to create and connect to Ubuntu 24.04 Noble version AWS EC2 instance. For more Linux or Ubuntu or AWS or cloud videos, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.